Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into Google Ads with an account that has edit permissions, admin preferred. Once signed in, open the left menu and click Campaigns to load the campaign table. Use the search box or filters to narrow to the campaign name, ID, or label so you don't select the wrong one. Make sure to glance at shared budgets and linked accounts now, because those relationships affect what happens next and save you from accidental billing or delivery changes. With the campaign visible, tick the left-hand checkbox to select it. Once selected, click Edit and choose Remove or use the trash icon in the toolbar. Google will mark the campaign as removed and stop delivery. You might pause first if you want a reversible stop. Removal is the step that archives the campaign. Make sure to confirm you picked the correct campaign ID, because removed campaigns are hidden from normal reporting and require special steps to view or restore if available. After removal, verify the campaign status reads removed. Toggle filters to include removed items if you need to inspect it. Once done, make sure to review billing and conversion settings that reference that campaign, because data will remain but delivery stops. If you cannot remove a campaign, check your permissions, ensure there are no active experiments or draft campaigns linked, and confirm no account-level holds exist. If blocking issues persist, contact the account admin to resolve permission or link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.